We are cooking Mee Goreng today. I'm not sure whether this is Malay or Indian style, but it is delicious. Lightly pound 2 tablespoons of ikan bilis. This is 1 sliced fish cake. 1 packet of caixin, separate the stem from the leaves. 1 potato cut into big chunks. 2 tomatoes cut into wedges. 1 taukwa cut into 4 pieces. 7 sliced shallots. 5 chopped garlic. And the lightly pounded ikan bilis. This is 1 1/4 kilogram of yellow noodles, 4 beaten eggs, and some limes. This is 2 heaped tablespoons of chilli powder, mixed into a paste with 6 tablespoons of water. This is 2 tablespoons of ketchup manis, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 6 tablespoons of ketchup, mixed in 6 tablespoons of water. Boil the potato for 7 to 10 minutes, depending on the size of the potato, until they are slightly soft. Do not boil too long, or else they will break apart. Put them on a strainer to let it cool and become dry, as we are going to fry them later. We start by frying the taukwa. Turn around to fry the other side. Remove when all the sides are brown. Cut them into cubes when they have cooled down. We will next fry the potato. Check to ensure that the potato is cooked. When they are cooked and brown on the edges, remove and set it aside. Remove the excess oil, and we can now fry the eggs. Remove when the eggs are fragrant. We will next saute the shallots. When they are soft, after about 1 minute, add the ikan bilis. After frying for about 1.5 minutes, add the garlic. Add the chili powder after about 30 seconds. Add the tomatoes. Fry for about 3 minutes until the tomatoes are cooked down. Remove and leave about 2 tablespoons of the rempah behind. Add the stem of the caixin. Add some water if it is too dry. Add the fish cake. We can now add the caixin leaves. Fry until the caixin is cooked down. Remove and set it aside. We are now going to fry the noodles. If we have a lot of rempah, we are adding about 3/4 of the rempah first. Add the noodles and mix. Add the sauce we prepared earlier. We are adding half a bowl for a start. Do not add too much sauce at the beginning. We can always add more later. Add some water if it is too dry. We have been frying for about 2 minutes. We have tried and we think we want a little more sauce and rempah. If it is too dry, add some water, a little at a time. Continue to fry using medium to low heat, otherwise the bottom can burn very quickly. Fry for another 8 minutes or so. When the noodles are ready, add all the other ingredients back into the wok. Mix well and this is ready. Serve with some lime juice. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends.